Xinjiang, in northwest China, is the country's largest railway port. It has seen a significant rise in international freight train services that has boosted business in the local rail industry. The trains run from China to Europe. They carry products such as auto parts, clothes, and electronics. More than 1,400 trains have left Xinjiang since the beginning of last year. They've carried nearly 100,000 containers of goods to Europe and Central Asia. The international freight train service has existed for more than 30 years, but the number of services increased after Chinese President Xi Jinping proposed a modern Silk Road connecting East and West in 2013. The so-called Belt and Road Initiative aims to connect Asia with Africa and Europe along ancient trade routes. China Railway International Limited Company is responsible for the operation of trains using the China-Europe rail route. Some trains travel more than 10,000 kilometers to reach their destination. The railway port in Manjuli, Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, plans to run a total of 1,000 international freight train services this year, compared with 600 last year, said Wang Shuwen, president of Northern International Railway Co. Limited, which manages cargo shipments at the port. The company will continue to expand its international freight train services and reach out to more destinations. The cargo shipped from Manjuli reached 15.6 million metric tons last year and is expected to top 20 million tons this year. According to Wang, "We have been working on making full use of our advantages as a land port," he said. "We aim to provide a more convenient and efficient means of transportation for traders in and outside China. The city's main advantage is its connection with Russia through the Trans-Siberian Railway. More than 40 cities in Russia can be reached from Manjuli," according to Wang. Last year, the port handled 12,000 trains with over 645,000 TEUs, or 20-foot equivalent units, up 21.3% compared with 2016. The number of trains connected to Europe rose from less than 100 in 2013 to 1,600 at present. In the first 2 months of this year, the port handled 2,100 trains with 112,000 TEUs. The monthly average number is expected to rise to about 1,000 this year. At present, the port handles trains from 43 cities in China and 44 cities in Europe. In the first half of the year, more than 1,000 trains that carried cargo between China and Europe passed through Alashankou in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. This is a 20% increase compared to the same period last year. Alashankou Port has developed into an important gateway for rail transportation between China and Europe. The number of cargo trains passing through the port reached 2,000 last year, which was 10 times more than in 2013. The train service offers a cost-effective solution for Chinese companies to export their products to Europe. It costs 1/5 of what it would cost by air and takes about 15 days to travel from Wuhan in central China to Hamburg in Germany. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, let us know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.